Hi everyone, Kevin here. I'm going to jump right into this. Here's our current count. This is the original chart I left up from the previous couple days ago. I want to highlight here that I had these Fibonacci retracements in when the market was right here at the B. And at this point I was expecting maybe a down but it went up one more time and made a new high, a higher high. And then it came back down to where the Fibonacci retracement areas where I was noting where to expect the market to pivot from. This is the original chart, and you can see it pivoted nicely right at the 50% retracement. I mentioned that that's where wave fours like to stop, and I've been saying that I'm thinking this is a wave four. And I mentioned that the correction was going to be longer and more sideways. I was starting to project that over here, I believe. So this is where we're at. So I'm going to give a couple options of what I think the market is trying to do, and I'll let you guys decide. Here's one option. The first option, 1, 2, 3. We got a big flat pattern, an A, a B that went above the 3 for a flat pattern back down to a C, 4. If this is the case, we're done correcting, and this is the first move up, first wave up of 5 to higher highs, if this count is correct. Another alternative may be that instead of this being the 3, this was a 4, and then we had a wedge 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I mentioned, wedges, this wave 4 is allowed to enter wave 2. This is what a wedge. It is a wedge. We got 1, 2, we got 3 pushes up. This is a wedge, a variation of the count. If we're going to go off this count, we're completing a wave B, and we should come back down for the wave C, wave 4. So another zag out of the zig, if you will. And the final count, or the final option, is as follows. And the third option is maybe we're making a big triangle. And this coincides with sideways, as I've been projecting, a bouncing around pattern. If that's the case, we're completing a B. Then we still have to go down for a C. We got to go back up for a D. And then we got to go back down for an E to finally complete this 4. Those are the 3 counts I'm working at. After this 4 is complete, I'm looking for a bottoming over here. And then I'm looking for higher prices.